Parsley or garden parsley is a species of Petroselinum in the family Apiaceae, native to the central Mediterranean region, naturalized elsewhere in Europe, and widely cultivated as a herb, a spice, and a vegetable. Where it grows as a biennial, in the first year, it forms a rosette of tripinnate leaves 10 to 25 cm long with numerous 1 to 3 cm leaflets, and a taproot used as a food store over the winter. Parsley is widely used in European, Middle Eastern, and American cooking. Curly leaf parsley is often used as a garnish in Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Southern Europe, as well as in Western Asia. Many dishes are served with fresh green chopped parsley sprinkled on top. Root parsley is very common in Central, Eastern and Southern European cuisines, where it is used as a snack or a vegetable in many soups, stews, and casseroles. Etymology. The word parsley is a merger of the Old English petersilia and the Old French persil, both derived from medieval Latin petroselinum, from Latin petroselinum, the Latinization of the Greek pi epsilon tau rho omicron sigma epsilon lambda iota nu omicron nu, rock parsley, from pi epsilon tau rho alpha, rock, stone, plus sigma epsilon lambda iota nu omicron nu, parsley. Description. Garden parsley is a bright green, biennial plant in temperate climates, or an annual herb in subtropical and tropical areas. Where it grows as a biennial, in the first year, it forms a rosette of tripinnate leaves 10 to 25 cm long with numerous 1 to 3 cm leaflets, and a taproot used as a food store over the winter. In the second year, it grows a flowering stem to 75 cm tall with sparser leaves and flat-topped 3 to 10 cm diameter umbels with numerous 2 mm diameter yellow to yellowish-green flowers. The seeds are ovoid, 2 to 3 mm long, with prominent style remnants at the apex. One of the compounds of the essential oil is apiaceae. The plant normally dies after seed maturation. Cultivation. Parsley grows best in moist, well-drained soil, with full sun. It grows best between 22 to 30 degrees Celsius, and usually is grown from seed. Germination is slow, taking 4 to 6 weeks, and it often is difficult because of furanocomerans in its seed coat. Typically, plants grown for the leaf crop are spaced 10 cm apart, while those grown as a root crop are spaced 20 cm apart to allow for the root development. Parsley attracts several species of wildlife. Some swallowtail butterflies use parsley as a host plant for their larvae. Their caterpillars are black and green striped with yellow dots, and will feed on parsley for 2 weeks before turning into butterflies. Bees and other nectar-feeding insects also visit the flowers. Birds such as the goldfinch feed on the seeds. Cultivars. In cultivation, parsley is subdivided into several cultivar groups, depending on the form of the plant, which is related to its end use. Often these are treated as botanical varieties, but they are cultivated selections, not of natural botanical origin. Leaf parsley. The two main groups of parsley used as herbs are curly leaf and Italian, or flat leaf. Of these, the Neapolitanum group more closely resembles the natural wild species. Flat-leaved parsley is preferred by some gardeners as it is easier to cultivate, being more tolerant to both rain and sunshine, and has a stronger flavor, while curly-leaf parsley is preferred by others because of its more decorative appearance in garnishing. A third type, sometimes grown in southern Italy, has thick leaf stems resembling celery. Root parsley. Another type of parsley is grown as a root vegetable, the Hamburg root parsley. This type of parsley produces much thicker roots than types cultivated for their leaves. Although seldom used in Britain and the United States, root parsley is common in Central and Eastern European cuisine, where it is used in soups and stews, or simply eaten raw, as a snack. Although root parsley looks similar to the parsnip, its taste is quite different from it. Parsnips are among the closest relatives of parsley in the family Apiaceae. A similarity of the name parsnips to turnip is a folk misattribution. Parsnip meaning forked turnip, it is not closely related to real turnips biologically. Culinary use. Parsley is widely used in Middle Eastern, European, Brazilian and American cooking. Curly leaf parsley is used often as a garnish. Green parsley is used frequently as a garnish on potato dishes, on rice dishes, on fish, fried chicken, lamb, goose, and steaks, as well in meat or vegetable stews. In Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Southern Europe, as well as in Western Asia, many dishes are served with fresh green, chopped parsley sprinkled on top. In Southern and Central Europe, parsley is part of bouquet garni, a bundle of fresh herbs used as an ingredient in stocks, soups, and sauces. Freshly chopped green parsley is used as a topping for soups such as chicken soup, green salads, or salads such as salad olivier, and on open sandwiches with cold cuts or pâtés. Persillade is a mixture of chopped garlic and chopped parsley in French cuisine. It is an Italian custom to serve it with bollito misto or fish. Gremolata, a mixture of parsley, garlic, and lemon zest, is a traditional accompaniment to the Italian veal stew, ossobuco alla Milanese. In England, parsley sauce is a roux-based sauce, commonly served over fish or gammon. Root parsley is very common in Central, Eastern and Southern European cuisines, where it is used as a snack or a vegetable in many soups, stews, and casseroles, and as ingredient for broth. In Brazil, freshly chopped parsley and freshly chopped scallion are the main ingredients in the herb seasoning called cheiro verde, which is used as key seasoning for major Brazilian dishes, including meat, chicken, fish, rice, beans, stews, soups, vegetables, salads, condiments, sauces and stocks. Cheiro verde is sold in food markets as a bundle of both types of fresh herbs. In some Brazilian regions, chopped parsley may be replaced by chopped coriander in the mixture. Parsley is a key ingredient in several Middle Eastern salads such as Lebanese tabbouleh. Nutritional content and precautions. Parsley is a source of flavonoid and antioxidants, apigenin, folic acid, vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin A. Half of tablespoon of dried parsley contains about 6.0 micrograms of lycopene and 10.7 micrograms of alpha-carotene as well as 82.9 micrograms of lutein plus zeaxanthin and 80.7 micrograms of beta-carotene. Excessive consumption of parsley should be avoided by pregnant women. It is safe in normal food quantities, but large amounts may have uterotonic effects. Gallery. Flat-leaved parsley. Flat-leaved parsley flower. Immature seeds. Flat-leaved parsley flower Flor de Pareja. Bee pollinator on parsley Petroselinum crispum flower.